Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I'm trying out the Trust Fund Beauty Eyebrow Gel, which is, I think, a little obvious that I'm trying out a brow product today because here I am sitting here with only one brow filled in. And I know that looks so funny, but I like to try out my brow gels with and without a brow pencil because every day I fill in my brows with a pencil and I need my brow gel to be good on top of a pencil. And so this is just in clear. It's cruelty-free. It claims to be lightweight and to define and hold the brows without looking crunchy. And that's really what I look for in my brow gels. I want it to help define the brow hairs, help them look a little bit more full and natural, but without any crunching or flaking. Plus, I have long brow hairs, so I want my brow gel to actually hold the brows in place. So let's see if this is going to do the trick. Here is what it looks like. Now, I'm pretty particular about my brow gel applicators. Oh, and this actually looks great. I like for it to be a small, precise wand. When they're too big, I think it just gets too messy. And so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in and apply it to the brow without the pencil first so that we can see how it looks on its own. Yeah, I do like this wand. It applies a good amount of product, but it easily coats every brow. And that's another thing I want my brow gel to do, is actually put product onto my brows. I feel like the most recent brow gel I tried out, for example, felt like nothing going onto the brow, and then I would go to see if it had any hold and it wouldn't do anything. This, at least, I feel like I was able to apply a lot of the product, and now we'll see as it dries down if there is any hold. But it also seems to have actually defined the hairs, given them a little bit of boost and volume. So we're off to a good start here. While I let that dry, let's see how it is on top of the pencil. All right, good. It's not lifting or smudging or removing the pencil. And I love that it really is making the brow hairs look more full and natural and defined. This looks great in the brow. But because I did apply what feels like kind of a lot of product, like a thick amount, I feel like it still needs some time to dry down. I'm gonna try and fan it. All right, fanning it feels like it really did help speed up the process. Oh my gosh, look at that. The brow hairs are not moving. Yes, that's what I was hoping to see. And what I was hoping to not see was any crumbling, flaking, and that is also so true. This is looking like no visible product texture in the brow, but it is giving great hold. Yeah, the brow hairs are not budging, and it's almost surprising that they're not budging because it feels like nothing in the brow. There is no crunchiness, but oh, yes, this is awesome. Let's see now on the brow with the pencil. Perfect. Staying exactly in place. This is what I was hoping to see. This is what I want in my brow gel. This is awesome. It's surprising how many clear brow gels I try out that actually are not good, that don't hold the brows in place, that will crumble off. This here is, in my opinion, a perfect brow gel. My brows are in place, they're defined, they look fuller, there's no crunchiness, no crumbling. Check, check, check. That's how I'm feeling about this brow gel. So a quick, awesome, successful makeup review. I love when this happens. If you've tried out the Trust Fund Beauty Eyebrow Gel, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.